Yeah, listen, it's a tape. That is it, man. Oh, wait, I want to rope there, sir.
Come on, man. No, rope my ankle.
Yo, no, but no, brother. Such a prick. Yeah, man. You cool. Hey, live on. Family rule. Welcome back to another episode. Yeah, man. The river today again. River kind of. Water another 100 still, but they already so we are going to make use of it. You know how food things already. Cooking, fun. I see we have Levan over there, sir. And Tanisha. Everyone else will come. Man, we come a river today, come buck up Smith World TV. And just last night we had them there live, you know. Yeah, man. So we go across and give them a link already, but further around we will give them another link and stuff, so just stay tuned. Yes. So the Tanisha setup, you know. Outdoor cooking setup this. Yeah. The Smith World TV over there. Go and do them thing. Big up on yourself. Smith World TV. Yeah, man, just go over to them channel. Show them some love. Yeah, so this is a Tanisha liquor set up now. I think she said she will go cook some curry chicken back dumpling and banana. Real Jamaican style. Yeah, so just stay tuned. I want to say live on Everall.
Outside.
Yeah, man, outside. Man, I drink first. Man, I drink, man, I already going to water yet. Hey, yo, you see two Everall tall? I believe the camera way up. See? You see when I put it up a film head? You can't see the head, you know? Yes, so this will go on. Yeah, man, look up this and see music. Boy, I get one lazy coal. What you call lazy? Lazy, man. Lazy piece of coal. So I go and see him. Time overcast. But me I hope say, you know, hope say sun will come out and give you a little time, you know? Yeah. Yes, RJ, take a thing already, boy. Yeah, man, I want to say, pick up Nature Adventure Jamaica. Yeah, man, big up outdoor cooking. Smith Family, Smith World TV. Big up on yourself. See them across the river there. Enough love and respect, man. Yeah, man.
They sound good. Clean,
you know, it play good, man. That can't keep on dancing, boy. Yeah, man, our first pass a while ago and it play good. But no, I play good for me now, no. I play bad, man. Bad.
It's a carry thing.
No, you know what? I play good guy. You know what? Life too sweet. You know in next when he pass a while I can see you by river. Go on, man. I don't want to do it. Yeah, man. Big up Smith World TV and yeah, man. And big up Nature Adventure Jamaica. Johnny, big up yourself, you. Yeah, man. Blessings. Gonna start boil it, man. Watch out, food them are looking at.
Brownie and brownie.
Yeah, Brownisha.
Yeah.
I don't know that one name. Remember Brownisha, not true? Tell him the food there, come down, we are going so. We are got a restaurant, yeah, man. At 12 pack, yeah. Tanisha, What's the dog? The dog go behind it there. And them a chop down tree. Wonder what them out with it. Hey, Kelani. Yeah, them a chop down the tree, baby. I don't know what they're doing with it. Hey, the water run really hard. The last time I come here and I run like this. Where is it, Tanisha? Chicken back go sweet. Oh, I mean.
Outdoor fire.
I mean outdoor cooking style. Ah.
Yeah, nice like when it's running outdoor.
Oh.
Nice view of the river in the background.
Where you come over? Where you come from? Drink rum or swim? Where you come from?
Hey.
Where you come from? Drink swim? Or water you come for rum? Which one?
Drink and swim.
Drink and swim, but you not swim, you drink. Yeah? Then that's why you have to swim before you drink, brother. You have to swim before you drink, you can't drink before you swim.
How
you disappear too?
You getting good enough?
I'm gone, you're fat.
And it can fly around early.
Can't catch him, I try
Can't catch him, bro.
camera and focus on him. Oh yeah, indeed, let me see now. Swallowtail hummingbird. And if you can spot the hummingbird, tell me if you can spot the hummingbird.
24?
Aye, Samsung Ultra.
Is there any picture?
See that? You see him?
Just find this pitch.
Yeah?
Right, funny piece of blue line.
Yeah.
I look on. Hey,
Hey boy, stop sucking snack over your finger. Big old boy.
Come on, trim like water.
Yeah man, watch out if you snack over your finger. Boy, yeah.
Hey, and the funny thing now, if the night time I jump, brother, I jump off a bike same time. So.
Same night.
Same night.
So you burn up and jump off a bike.
Jump off a bike with the bun. What happened now? What happened? We're working at bar, and I mix liquor, say, boss say, yo, more some liquor. So I go bike bridge and say, yo, come in, make a mark here, go. It's in the dirty place, wait. And I go say, yo, drift the bike. After all power, NCD, back 8. It has cake, go straight down and stop like a man.
That's the curse. So start very quick though. I big a partition I use at Tanisha. I put there slide all over the place. Then it does me just see slide 2 times, but I make it just up on your foot, you know.
No, the place wet, bro. Yeah, the place wet and the place is just Hey, is it my win? The female campaign. Alright, I say go again.
Yeah, so Ricky, famous charger, you know.
Right.
See that?
Oh, see, that's
I just see on the live, you know, watch it. Charger, you have to say, aye. Yeah, it's a tape. Wait, I want to rope there, sir.
Come on, man. No, rope my ankle.
You don't know but you know, brother. You don't know but you know. You don't know
can't place on the order, man. That's all man.
That's crazy.
Hold on, calm down. Settle down. Yeah. For the people in the diaspora that want their bamboo cup, when you can place on a harder. Yeah, man. And we give you the price.
Low.
Low. Make up to that.
Yeah, man.
And the people, when you say Avenger, when you feel love, you just, you know it, style and thing. Yeah, man.
Hey, this is a man alone, the Avenger, you know, the Avenger, Avenger.
When we say it, kind of hot and sharp,
Spider-Man, yeah, so.
Spider-Man, yeah, we are Spider-Man.
Yeah, man. Iron Man, this. Iron Man, this. Iron Man. Spider-Man.
Outside.
How you be now? All
When they, hold on, man. A Groot.
Pantanisha chicken back. We hot dumpling there. Hot dumpling. Wicked chicken back. Yeah, man, we just go link up. Yeah, man, we just link up with Smith World TV and stuff. They do them things. So. Go over them channel and give them a support. Yeah, decent set of people. Right now they come like family. They come like family, man. I tell you, they always they buy with side and they buy for them just to see them. So, yeah, man, go over there and give them a support. Yeah, man, give them a subscribe and give them a like and a share just to see them. Yeah, man, it's cool there. Well, outdoor cooking style. It's on Dennis Brown playing in the background over there, sir. Yeah? Yeah.
Every time.
Hold on.
They mean currency. Currency breast, that's what?
And make sure it's well seasoned, you know.
That's why you currency breast.
Right? Rub in that kind of rub in.
Currency breast.
Rub it best gently.
Oh, yo, do you and big up yourself in a bro, G? Yeah, man. You know, say you're working, brother, if you never there. If you never work, you're not there. Have to. Yeah, man. Big up yourself, my brother.
Now we're going to go ahead and add some of the blended season. Alright, rub it up now.
Wait, other one, then I know. Yeah. Can I want to pick up when you can, man?
Let me get a little camera.
What do you mean?
Let me get a pick up.
What's the man? Hey, jerky. Bad enough. Hey, listen to me, man. I'm about to call me Ricardo again. I call me jerky. Bad chicken, this man. Oh, you got jerky on the riverside. Man, where they are play some Pluto Chevrington. Bless up yourself. Yeah, man, watch that. Hey, Levan, me tell him, you know. Is it anytime you see me stop doing me, I do?
Yeah.
I jerk me, I got jerk chicken and pork, you know, brother. Oh, and a problem, you know, jerk man, them are ready, I'm in the money again, you know. Oh, yeah, man. Oh, yeah, so, man. I just start. Yeah, man, see that. My passion, this, brother. Yeah, man, flash it up in your nose, brother. Everybody gone in there. Water. Come here, if you jerk chicken and a video. Where the bus?
Out there. Hi, mommy.
I can see every little eye. Boy, me tell you Saturday evening and nice. See a Smith World TV over there, so. I do them thing. Nice, man, it's Saturday evening, nice. All dog I enjoy themselves. Let me see me find dog. Look over the blue car then you see all dog over there. I enjoy themselves. Same way. See me? Tanisha, you want some more time? If this sparkle them touch you nobody here. You just have to touch up. What? Ah. Smith family rule. Yeah man. Oh. Loud. Yeah man. Oh. Oh, they made a telling already.
Oh, did you? Jaja! Amen, Jaja. Love it, love it.
Oh! I mean, me make it up, me, you know? Me mean, you can't imagine if I poke.
Oh, Mr.
Hey.
You're down in Manchester.
Listen, if I poke, you can't walk in a float, float come over, you know? Float. If I poke out there, so a float come over.
That runs like a ram goat.
Big up yourself, man.
Every time. One family, one link.
Yeah, man.
We love it, man. We love it. How about some Morris? We have to lick up Morris food, you know? Now we have to lick up Morris food. Yeah, we have fun. We have to come down and support you, you know?
You have to.
Yeah. Real. Alright, guys.
I'm going to show you. Be there. So me buy the pork Friday, you know. I buy the pork Friday. If you don't like it, you know,
No, if we go, we have to go.
yeah, man. Jerk pan up and running, watch it. Lord. But the keep turning around and you know I'm gonna put them.
Some salt. Any festival after you can take here. Nice festival dough. Finished making now. We're gonna let it rise for a couple seconds or a
Hey
couple
boy, what you
minutes.
not do?
That is it, man.
Yeah, come on.
Bad chef. I'm going to build a cook shop out of my friend. Oh, your friend.
Nah, Mikey, hey Mikey.
Come on.
Stop telling me say you are forward for a weekend and you're not coming.
I'm going to try and buy ears next time.
Every minute
say
you want to tell me
forward.
say you're my forward and you know you're not
I'm
forward.
going to try and buy ears next time and say, yo, come in. I'm going to put that.
Right, now I keep visa chicken go give
Yeah.
to festival.
Yeah.
I say, yo, what this time miss out?
Yeah. Outside.
What you say, sir?
Hey, bro, flag good. Flag boss. Put it back.
Guidance counselor, brother.
Every game I lose tonight.
Guidance counselor.
It's a wicked frost, that's you know, guys.
Stop you. Alrighty then.
Chicken?
You want more flour that? More of the came alone. I've got to go back.
Beside that, go back, sir.
Alright guys, the festival them are coming on nicely. They're so pretty.
Awesome, but.
Oh. Oh, tell Mikey say yo. Yeah, miss out, brother. Yeah, man.
You miss out a lot.
Seafood, then look there, Mikey. Look there. Look there. RJ, what you say? Let's tell Evan.
By jerk and festive.
Alright. Where's it, Everall?
Yes, Jamaica, you want some feet, but it's too late, so you don't come.
Yeah, man, we have some teams here, man.
Guidance.
Yeah, man. Hmm? Yeah. Come to her.